Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So this tough week slowly is coming to an end. Unfortunately, this week we're talking rather than trading on the euro currency because price action is really just outstanding. So mostly because of the massive release of different data. So CPI report, next Jerome Powell speech in Congress. So all this stuff were shaking market and led them to make significant swings, at least on the intraday charts. That makes it difficult to prepare for trading, as swings were forming mostly because of the fast impact of the data, and market has no time to prepare, to make the background, to prepare patterns, to show the intention where it intends to go. This was just a blind reaction. So good data, dollar rising, euro currency has dropped. So another data, you can see that the next day it's going to jump up, also without any preparation. That really was the reason why we were standing inside most of the week, just making some minor trades maybe on intraday charts. So in general, looking at the broad picture, here is we just need to get the moment where market intends to continue downward actions, because as you can see, overall context stands bearish, sell-off strong. Market after the sell-off can't show any deep retracement, can't start any significant pullback or reversal, so it means that everything stands in place. But the chop action inside of this wedge pattern makes currently difficult to choose the proper moment where the real downside continuation starts, and that's the reason why we stand aside for a while. So we need some more clarity on the moment where market intends to go down, and that's actually what we are waiting for. So on the daily chart, you can see nothing really new. So price action stands in a tight range form inside sessions. So this recent 3 days stands in a candle inside of the CPI sell-off and bring nothing new to the daily picture. Today, guys, and by the end of the week, I think that we could discuss only some minor trading stuff. For example, if we'll take a look at the full time frame chart, recently, again, the retracement that we discussed has happened. It's dropped down right to the 18 area. So we talked about this in a recent report. And currently, you can see on the full time frame chart, we've got the bullish grabber. So theoretically, I wouldn't surprise to any price action here, just because you could see what's going on in the recent few sessions. It's just opposite actions with the same strength. So first to the CPI strength sell-off, next day strong upward action. It's mostly erasing the previous sell-off. So that's why, based on this grabber, it's just taken out of this top, and theoretically this is possible as market has not completed the opposite border of this consolidation. So theoretically it could happen. I don't know, but we have the pattern. So if you have in mind idea of the taking the long position and you're searching where it's better to take the trade, how to enter the long side and buying the euro, so you could use this grabber probably. So for instance, it provides very clear setups where we have the invalidation point right below the grabber, and the target is right around the previous top, so it's 1850. This provides great clarity and makes it very simple to use it if you have the desire to trade on the euro on the long side. On the hourly chart, guys, the drop has happened right to the support area that we have discussed it in a different way. So initially we thought that might be the ABCD pattern here, and you can see market has climbed a bit higher and then shows the sharp reversal down, dropping back to the 18 even area. So market also stands in support. Previously we said whether we could treat it as some ugly head and shoulders pattern or something of that sort. So that in this way probably we can't use it because of this left arm hasn't reached the neckline, but it is necessary for a pattern that it has to test it. So it means that we have to use kind of the sloped neckline, something of that sort, but it makes the head and shoulders looks really ugly. So probably it's better to not treat it as the head and shoulders pattern, although we can't ignore and can't not to point on some harmony. So you can see that this drop shows approximately the same lows as the lows to the left side. Potentially, if grabber starts to work, we probably should get some upward extension. So it will be either the ABCD pattern, 1874, or if in case of the COP target, since it will be, currently we have the 618 retracement, that means that COP will stand right at the previous top, and so will be 1850. That's what's appointed by the grabber on the 4 time frame chart. So currently it's difficult to say whether it will work or not, but you can see here is 1811, lows here 1796. So guys, here's just 25, 15 pips, and with some additional room to make the market move here, probably just 25, 30 pips will be enough to take this trade. So not really big risk in the current situation. Actually, guys, that's all that we see currently. The only setup that could be traded at some degree, and nothing else. So for the most significant action, we need some clarity, some evidence from the market, and it should point the direction and prepare some point for downward continuation, and it should let us know where it should start. Currently, we do not see it yet.